Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love and affection for the past two videos. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys some last minute Diwali decorations that I am doing at my home. As I already said, I don't have a center table, so I'm using a trunk along with a plant stand as a center table here, on which I'm using this runner. We have secured the cloths with safety pins and you can see it looks perfect like a center table. Do let me know what you think about this DIY in the comment section below. I plan to get some new cushion covers but I didn't find anything attractive, so I'm just going to use a DIY here. Hope it will be helpful for you guys as well. I have taken a blouse bit which I have folded into half and then I'm just going to cover it like this and I am going to secure with pins. You can see it looks perfect just like the store-bought cushion covers, and I'm just going to steam it a little to give that perfect look. The cushion which I showed earlier is 18 inches in size. The ones which I am placing now are 20 inches in size. I'm just going to use this dupatta as a throw here. And you can see with all the items that are easily available at home, I have decorated my living space. Now we are going to decorate this space, for which I am using a placemat along with some candles. To decorate any corner of your house, you can use a big plant along with some LED lights. Now I am going to decorate my center table. And to decorate this corner, I'm just going to use a urli. You can use any type of urlis, even the steel ones if you have. And you can decorate it with flowers of your choice to give that instant festive look to any corners of your home. In my Ganesh Chaturthi decoration video, I used these type of flowers which are actually natural. So I got them made like this in artificial paper flowers and I'm using them for decorations here. And I'm going to use few candlelight holders here in this area. You need not buy a new candlelight holders every time. Just make sure you store the ones which you bought the previous year carefully so that the shine remains the same. So you can see with easily available items at home, I have decorated my living space to something festive for this festival season. I am yet to buy terracotta diyas from the local vendor to decorate my balcony and entrance area. Please do support the local vendors as much as possible. Adding LED strip light to any part of your home is going to give that instant festive feel. So you can see I have added some LED strip lights behind the curtains and on the plant as well. Don't forget to decorate your dining table. Please do keep in mind that the dining table decoration has to be functional as well as a little decorative. I initially planned to use this runner, but now I am going to use this near my entrance area, and I have a different runner for my dining space. But anyways, pink is going to give that instant festive look. I just love this Rani pink. Here I have decorated my dining space like this because I have kept it functional and also a little decorative. And the other final tip you can use is to decorate any corners of your house with wood leaves. You can use either natural flowers or artificial flowers that you have, but I would say prefer to use natural flowers. Artificial flowers you can use if you're going to decorate your house like 3 to 4 days prior, and on the festival day you can use natural flowers to decorate your wood leaves. I have used different types of urlis with different types of flowers at different corners of my home to give that festive feel. I hope this video was useful for you guys in planning the Diwali decorations. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swathi Ganesh signing off. Wishing you all a safe and happy Diwali in advance.